How to use Urgent Wallet tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how you can sign up and get started with your Urgent Wallet, how to get this crypto wallet very easily as a complete beginner. So let's get started with the video. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to urgent.xyz and you will land right here. Argent is an Ethereum wallet that we can get with a very low fees and bulletproof security. It is available to download on App Store and you can also get it on Google Play. But we're gonna go ahead and create our wallet on our PC and I will get a crypto wallet. So Argent is a Ethereum wallet that we can get as similar to MetaMask, and with Argent we can go ahead and earn up to 5% by staking Ethereum, and we can earn up to 15% on USDC and DAI. We can also buy with card or bank transfer, and then there is a trade tokens available as well. It's a pretty good platform with all of the different features and very easy to use. And one of the features that stand out on Argent is the bulletproof security that you get. So this is available as an app and you can download it on App Store and Google Play. But if you want to go ahead and add it to your Google and add it as a Chrome extension, then you need to go to this option right here, which is Argent X. So I have opened up Argent X. It is an open source browser wallet for Starknet. So this is where we get a Chrome browser plugin and extension. So now I will simply click right here and it will allow me to download Argent extension for my Google. You can see right here it is available as an extension. Now simply how we add an extension to our Chrome, simply click right here, add extension, and it will take few seconds to download, and after that we will be able to add it as an extension right here. So if I go to extensions now, you can see right here I'm gonna pin this one. Let's open it up and sign up for Argent. To sign up, you have to select new wallet. If you already have a wallet, then you don't need to sign up. So simply click on new wallet, and after that you have to set up a reasonable password. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a password right here. Once you sign up for your crypto wallet, then this is what you will get. You can see we have our own wallet. So the process of signing up was really easy for Argent. So you can see right here, this is my account 1 and this is my mainnet. So we have Ethereum and we have localhost. So I can go with click right here and I can go for an Ethereum mainnet. Similarly, we can add new networks to our Argent as well. So this is really easy to use and we have our own ID. Similarly, I can add different tokens as well to my wallet right here. This is a test token available. If we go with Ethereum and then we have this account, this is our copy option. I'm gonna click right here and we can actually go ahead and edit our account information with Argent as well. So this is actually available as an app and as an extension, so you will not get an expanded form of this. So that is why we will have to kind of work like this. So once you get your own wallet, let me show you that what are the different features we are getting with Argent and how to use it. So when it comes to the features and tools, we get a lot of different options on our Argent. So I showed you that we have the extension now. Let me actually open it up for you. So once you have the extension, we can change different mainnets for our wallet. To deposit funds, what you have to do is you simply click on deposit. You can either receive funds or you can mint as well. So if you want to receive a fund, you will simply click on receive and you will send the person your ID. You simply click on receive and you can see your account address copied, and you can simply go ahead and then send your address to someone who wants to send you, or a platform that will send you your funds. Then we have tokens right here. We have a test token. To add a token, you simply click right here. You add a contract address, you add name, symbol, and decimals, and then you will simply click on continue. This is my account. You can see right here, to edit an account, you simply click right here and you can actually change your account name. For instance, right now it says account 1. I can go ahead and change the name if I want to. We can click right here and it will take us to settings, and we have lock settings, we have backup files, localhost, and we have reset dApp connection as well. If we go to lock wallet, then you will be able to lock and unlock your wallet with the password that you have added. So this is how you simply use your Argent. Very easy platform to use, very similar to MetaMask as well. When it comes to Argent, we get low fees and high speed. We are actually getting up to 100x cheaper fees than Ethereum. So that's actually really good. And we are getting actually two-layer network on Argent. So that makes it stand out among the others. Then we have invest, take, and earn option. And we can earn up to 15% of interest on your crypto through partners of Argent. And there are all of the mainnets are actually available, such as Ethereum, Polygon, and others. You can also add your BNB. If you want to go ahead and check out your wallet and funds, you will simply open up your extension again. So from here, you will simply open up your wallet, and you can see right now we are on Ethereum mainnet. I can actually go ahead and change my networks from here, and my wallet network will be changed. To mint again, you simply click on mint, and this will allow you to send a transaction, and you have to add your network fee right here. This is going to be the network fee for Ethereum right now, which is 0.0002. Then you will either reject or sign. For now, I'm gonna reject because I'm not minting anything on my blockchain. Then this is my ID that I will get. So it's a very easy platform. Again, I'm actually saying this again and again, but this is actually true because with Argent you don't get very complicated. There's nothing complicated about it. If you have a MetaMask but you also want an Ethereum wallet, then you can definitely check out argent.xyz. When it comes to the Argent token fee, then there is a trade token fees, which is $1. So that is not much, because when it comes to trading in tokens, you can actually earn a lot and you will be able to trade a lot. So $1 is not that much of a fee, but yeah, this is the fee and I wanted to show you. Then the good thing is that you can buy and sell, and add deposit your funds with your bank transfer or your credit card as well. That option is available on Argent. That is why it makes it very beginners friendly and user friendly. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to get an Argent wallet. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.